How to get student premium on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can get student premium on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get student premium on Spotify, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your browser, and once you open your browser, go to spotify.com. so remember, I'm talking about the browser, not the app, and log into the account on which you want to get premium. Then tap the gear icon that you can find over here, and then you'll find this option here known as premium, so make sure to tap the premium option there. As you tap on premium, here by default the individual plan is going to get selected, so you have to tap on view all premium plans option here. When you tap the view all premium plans option, if you scroll, you'll also see the student plan that only costs you $1.50, so select get premium student, but just make sure that you need to have a verification ID. So you can see it should be verified ID of a recognized university or school. Then you tap the next option there, and as you tap on the next option, you should be able to now go ahead and then actually verify your ID and then get Spotify premium for student. This way you can get student premium Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.